Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone not connecting to your computer or laptop. If your iPhone is not connecting to your computer or the laptop, you are not alone. Many iPhone users face this frustrating issue. Luckily there are easy fixes when your iPhone doesn't connect to a PC or Mac. It can be sometimes as simple as a busted cable or a driver issue or a buggy instant of iTunes. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to trust this computer when promoted. Connecting your iPhones to a computer for the first time produces a trust this computer security promote. To authorize this action, choose trust on the iPhone. Doing so will allow iOS to permit the trusted computer to sync and access data on your iPhone. If you miss the prompt, simply unplug your iPhone and then plug it back again. Whenever you connect your iPhone to a computer, you will see a prompt like this. Simply tap on Trust this computer. After this, you need to do is check the lightning cable. A broken or frayed lightning cable can lead to connection issues and result in the iPhone refusing to connect to the computer. Confirm that iPhone's charge when plugged into your computer or a different source like a wall outlet. If it doesn't, it's definitely the cable's fault. After this, then you have to just try a different using a USB port. If it's not a cable, it might be the port. Try connecting your iPhone using the different USB-A or USB-C port with a cable you don't works to see if your computer has a faulty port or not. If this still doesn't work, then you have to restart your devices. Restarting a device is clear its memory and reload the operating system, fixing temporary glitches. To restart your iPhone, so you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. And for your computer, you can simply shut down it. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset your iPhone's network settings. Resetting your iPhone's network settings won't remove apps and data but may fix connections problem between the iPhones and the computer. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.